What's up YouTube, back at you with another video. So finally got to do in my hot side intercooler pipe, something I've been wanting to do for a while. And this is actually the HSP one. And as you can see, I got it painted the same color as my other piping. You know, it's a color theme I've been doing on the truck. If you've seen my previous videos, my K9 intake, and then my Sinister intake bridge. And yeah, so little pointer when you go to install this, or actually to remove the stock intercooler pipe, it has to come out from the top, and maybe with the buddy or something, kind of help you at the bottom, because with all those wiring harnesses, it gets kind of wedged in there. But it's not that big of a deal, you know, pulling it out. And when you go to install this one, the aftermarket one, it actually comes from the bottom. But it's actually easier to install the aftermarket one than taking the factory one out, because obviously there's less bends, so it's not much of the pain. But this tube's obviously a lot bigger. It's a 3-inch tube, aluminum. And the factory one's actually 2 1/4, so you figure 3/4 of an inch. You know, it's quite a bit, and I'm sure it helps with spool, you know, from the turbo going to the intercooler. And it's nothing major, you know, that you'll really feel in the seat of the truck, but you know, all the little mods here and there, you know, it all makes a difference at the end of the day. Help the truck, you know, flow better, and you know, and whatnot. So, give you a little view. It's hard to see with the inner fender in, but to give you a little idea, you can kind of see it, you know, up in there. Under the intercooler. Control arm, same color. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, nothing major. It's a simple mod. You know, it took probably about 30 minutes to get it swapped out. You know, no big deal. But yeah, so I figured post a little video. And I don't know what the next mod will be, but stay tuned.